Alright, we're going to take out the shifter. For some reason, the shift lock isn't coming off. So we're just going to pull this off. Try not to break it. Oh, is that it?
Yeah, that's your shift lock.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, stick a screwdriver in there. Oh no, there it is. That's the hole. Just stick a screwdriver in it. This thing's moving all over the place. There it is. So there is a shift lock hole right here, and you stick a screwdriver through it, but I'm pressing it with my finger. It's just this little lever right here. That undoes the shift lock. So now we can move this wherever we want. And need a Phillips for that. I'm guessing this is going to be some trouble. stuck underneath the car because that thing's kind of big. There it is. Alright, so yeah, it's just the 6 screws, and then you can pull the shifter out. You might have to go up and down with it to make it fit. Try going all the way back if you can. And yeah, there's your auto shifter. It's just the 6 screws and you pull it out. And then these are the shift lock cables, which you'll have to wire together to make your shift lock stay off. Actually, you can pull that switch out and that'll be easy. But we're not there yet. We're gonna throw the trans in and then we'll get to wiring and everything. Alright, so in order to bolt up the shift knob, you just take these little caps off these bolt holes, and hopefully there's some threads in there for you to thread onto. So that's for the shifter. And then for the, what do you call this? Transmission frame?
No.
For the transmission mount, you pull out these ones right here. They might turn out. Yeah. Just spin them out. And there's your threads for your transmission mount. That one's not coming out. There you go. Now I gotta find some bolts to put in there. Alright, so we got the transmission in place. We're gonna lower the car and get that shit in there. I'm gonna probably put it on time lapse because it's gonna take a while. But yeah, see you when it's done. Alright, so I'm running a memory card, but this is how far we've got the trans. So we have... But, yeah, so we have the whole transmission mount all bolted in, and the spindle must be in the clutch because it's moving when we turn the engine, right here with the pry bar. So now we just gotta get it to slide forward somehow. Yeah, that's where we are. I'm gonna switch back to time lapse. Alright, so we've gotten the transmission this close. Now we're just kind of prying it together. We had to tilt the engine back a little bit just to get the trans to match up. But now we're just going to bolt everything together. And yeah, and then move on to the shifter, try to get that matched up. Alright, so right now I'm underneath the car. This is the bottom of the shift linkage. And those were the two plugs that I took out earlier. You gotta find really whatever bolts work, either 12s or skinny 14s like these. And just gonna flip this over, push it up like that, and then throw in these bolts. A little bit difficult because they've never been used. Jeez. Alright, how's that?